So first, to install the Nexter extension free version, head over to plugins and here click on add new. Now in the search bar, type Nexter extension. Once it appears, simply move ahead and click install now. Then activate done. Okay, now I'm gonna do a sneaky little move. But believe me, it's super effective. You know how every WordPress site uses /wp admin, right? And so do bots and attackers. And if we somehow change that login URL to something unique, it will make it way harder to even find your login screen. Great idea, isn't it? I know, thank me later. Now, let me show you how to do it. Click on this gear icon next to custom login URL. Type in your custom slug like /mylogin, then click on save and it will be done. Now, the /wp admin won't work anymore. So it's super important that you make sure you save the new login URL somewhere safe, so later on if you require. So later on, if you forget that what was the text that I wrote in the place of WP admin, you will find that easily.